So we're in the kitchen. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of perspective. I know the kitchen is a little narrower than what you were looking for, and I understand that. Fridge is a little older, but the cabinetry, I don't know if you can tell, it's a nice quality maple, really good. Granite countertops, lots and lots of windows with fabulous blinds or shutters. Good quality cooktop, Viking, nice 6-burner. I'm sure Evan and Herzita will come over and have a cook for you. And yeah, there's everybody sitting in the family room there, guys. I'll just walk through here, give you a bit of perspective on how everything kind of goes together. And kitchen, family room, and right through here is another sort of den, family room, what have you. Lots of space. And this could work perfectly as a kid's room. Lots of light. And then another main floor bath right through here. Oops. Very simple. And then through here's another bedroom, but that would also work quite nicely as an office. Sorry, stop talking there. More doors to the outside and good sized laundry room. And we keep going around here. And those are the stairs to the basement. Off to the left here. It's a huge dining room with these beautiful ceilings. And if I turn slowly this way, back to the kitchen. And then again, the kitchen for you guys, I think. And I am taping, Andrew. Doesn't mean you have to be quiet, just means you watch what you say. Okay, well, there we go, guys.